I am Palash Kumar Chaudhary, your science teacher. Everybody, how are you? I know we are not fine because of novel coronavirus. For this reason, all educational institutions are closed as per government decision. So, do not go out from home and stay at home and save yourself. However, we come back our topics. Now we will discuss about our second term syllabus. Today our first chapter, what things are made of. So at first everybody practice to read out this chapter at home again and again. Now today we will discuss the word meaning. Today we will discuss the word meaning. Everybody listen to me carefully. Alive. Alive means living. Dead means lifeless. Solid means compact. Liquid means fluid. Pour means cause to flow. Again, alive. Alive means living. Dead means lifeless. Solid means compact. Liquid means fluid. And finally, pour means cause to flow. Again, alive means living. Dead means lifeless. Solid means compact. Liquid means fluid. Pour means cause to flow. Now we will discuss about the spelling. Alive, A-L-I-V-E. Alive means living. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. Dead, D-E-A-D, dead means lifeless. L-I-F-E-L-E-S-S, lifeless. Next, solid. S-O-L-I-D, solid. Solid means compact. C-O-M-P-A-C-T, compact. Liquid. L-I-Q-U-I-D, liquid. Liquid means fluid. F-L-U-I-D. And next, finally, pour. P-O-U-R, pour. Pour means cause to flow. Pour means cause to flow. C-A-U-S-E, cause to flow. F-L-O-W, cause to flow. So next we will discuss about fill in the blanks. Most dash are hard. Most dash are hard. Here solids are hard. From the chapter we know that solids are hard. Next we can pour liquids. Here we can pour liquids. From this chapter we know we can pour liquids easily. Liquids as for example oil, milk. This is called liquid substance. Next, number 3, one important gas is called oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N, oxygen. From this chapter we know oxygen is one important gas. We cannot live without it. Next, finally, number 4, when wax is heated it melts. Here heated means to give heat. When wax is heated, it melts. Now we will discuss about the spelling. SOLIDS, solids. Then liquids, LIQUIDS, liquids. Then oxygen, OXYGEN, oxygen. And finally heated, ACATED, heated. So everybody follow our lecture and practice at home again and again. If you don't understand any topics, you call me, or if any problem, then you knock our online system. So no more today. Next we will discuss about the next topics. Thanks to all.